2023, guys, Z06, as you guys can see, sponsored by Function Factory Performance. He's going to tell us what it is.
Yeah, Function Factory Performance. They're on the West Coast. They do all my parts for me. They did all this carbon fiber on the side, the Z07 wing, the Z07 front splitter with the canards.
Look at that.
And they're sponsoring me for suspension too. Awesome company on the West Coast.
And what's the name of your Instagram? What's your Instagram handle?
Chronicles of Kurt.
Follow him, guys. He's going to give us a pull, and that's his Porsche too. We worked on that. We didn't work on this one, but this one's decatted, full exhaust, everything. It's super, super loud. So he's going to start it up for us, rev it a few times, and take off. Stay tuned. Here we go. It's a loud, loud beast. I'm scared to stand behind it. Oh my God. He wasn't kidding. Bro! Oh my God. One more? One more? Only an exhaust addicts, guys. All right, take off. Enjoy it, bro. Good seeing you again. I'll get you guys first Corvette. And there's the Porsche. And the Porsche has got a flow speed system on it we installed. Which one did it better, the Porsche or the Corvette? Let me know in the comments. I say Corvette all day. All that exhaust addicts, guys, come and see us for all your exhaust needs. And if you have cool cars, bring them by. We'll showcase them on our channel. Love everything you guys do for us. We appreciate the support. Take care.